Okay, question 10. Use the graph to answer the question. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, which transformation maps triangle ABC to triangle DEF? So again, it states that it is congruent, and I know that transformation, a dilation is a transformation that does not keep things congruent. So I'm going to eliminate that one first. The next thing that I'm going to check for is to check for orientation. So point A, its corresponding vertex would be point D. So it's both in the upper side, and then point C's corresponding vertex would be point F. The way I know that is because point C is listed third and so is point F. They are both on the left-hand side of the triangle, and so their orientation is staying the same. Point B and point E also are in the same orientation, being directly below point A. So it's not going to be a rotation because none of these have been, so if it was rotated, the orientation would have changed, something like this, where point D would no longer be pointing up. So it's not going to be a rotation. A reflection would change the orientation as well. So like if it was reflected over the y-axis, it could be that point C, point C's corresponding vertex, which would be F, would be in a different orientation. So instead of being on the left-hand side of A and B, it's on the right-hand side of those corresponding vertexes, D and E. So since that orientation did not happen either, that is what's leading me to a translation. So notice point A moved 2 units to the right and 2 units down. So did all of the other points to their corresponding vertexes, over 2 units and down 2 units. So that is how I know it is a translation.